Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MariaDB 11.8 on Linux Mint 22.1. First open any web browser, then go to MariaDB official website mariadb.org. Then click on download, then select MariaDB server repositories. Then choose the distribution. See here, in this list we don't have the Linux Mint. Okay, so select Ubuntu 24. Why? I will show you. Ubuntu 24 Noble. Then select the MariaDB version. See here we have the 11.8. It is the stable one. Okay, then open terminal, more/etc os-release. See here, so code name is, its ID is like Ubuntu, and its code name and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. That's why I have selected 24.04 Noble. Okay, so once we selected, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. So copy this one, Control N, paste it, hit enter. Both are already newer versions. Then make this directory. I think I have already done. Hit enter. Then import public key, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now see here, once key is imported, copy and paste the following, that is this entire into a folder under this directory. So first go to this directory, or just copy this entire file directory with file name, copy it, sudo vi, Control L, sudo vi, paste that file with entire path, hit enter, press I to insert mode, then copy this one, paste it, save the file, double click exclamation, escape, colon, WQ exclamation ls, go to this directory and verify, or just copy this one again, verify the content of this file, more, paste it, hit enter. See here we have the content. Okay, now update the packages by running this command. See, first we have to update the packages, then we have to install the MariaDB server. Sudo apt get update, hit enter. All done, Control L. Now install the MariaDB server. Copy it, paste it, hit enter, type I. See, it is going to install MariaDB. So hit enter. See, now it is downloading and installing MariaDB 11.8. Now verify the status of the MariaDB. Sudo systemctl status MariaDB. Hit enter. See here we have installed MariaDB 11.8 and its service status is active and running. It is enabled. Q2 kit now connect to MariaDB server. Sudo MariaDB, hit enter. See, we have connected to MariaDB server 11.8. You can verify the version of this one. Select version. See, we have connected to MariaDB 11.8. Okay, Control A. The first step after connecting to MariaDB is we have to set the password for the root account. So first verify list of users. So users, this won't work. So get the list of the users by running the command select use user from mysql.user. See, we have the root account. So we have to set the password for this root account. Alter user root identified by, provide the new password. It is typo, so identify. See, query is okay. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Control L. Now create a database. Before that, verify list of databases. So databases. See, we have these default databases or schemas comes with MariaDB installation. Now create a database, create database. Now verify again. See, new database is there. Now switch to this database and create a table. Use is the keyword to switch to a database. Use, then provide the database name. Now verify the database name. Also see here, before it was none, now it is changed to bank. So the current database is this one. So select database, select database. See, we are in the bank database. Create a table. Also verify list of tables. So tables. See, we don't have any tables. So let us create a table. See, we have a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create a user and connect to MariaDB server. Sudo create user. We have successfully created. Let us verify. See, new user is there. Now exit. To exit from MySQL, we have to use the command exit. Now connect to MariaDB with this new user. MariaDB -u James -p. Then provide the new user name. New password of this user. See, we have successfully connected. Verify current user. Select current _ user. See, we have connected with the James user. Now try to switch to bank database. Use bank. See, access denied for user James because we have created user but we haven't granted. But we can connect with root account because root is the super user. Now see, we have successfully connected. Okay, so exit until we have connected MariaDB by using MariaDB client. We can also connect MariaDB by using dbeaver or MySQL Workbench. dbeaver.io. Then we have to download this community. It is free, and this is dbeaver Pro is the paid one. Click on download. Then if you scroll down, see here the latest release is 25. Then you have to download this Debian package. Then we have to install. So for this, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install dbeaver on Linux Mint 22.1. Then you can connect MariaDB. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure MariaDB 11.8 on Linux Mint 22.1. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thanks.